All right. Having systems that allow you to completely step away without problems. Man, this is my favorite part of owning a business, I think, is this one. So EOS is a big one that is part of it. And the way that we execute EOS is by delegating. People take ownership of what's in the business, their role. We have multiple VAs. A VA is a virtual assistant. And my favorite part about that is being able to just go away, and it still goes. So like I'm right now in the process of moving, and I had to take 2 weeks off unexpectedly to like fix a bunch of stuff at my house so it could get sold. That 2 weeks, over that 2 week period, I came back, ran a couple reports when I got in. The business, without me doing anything, actually grew over that time. We got more customers, more money to the bottom line. I did nothing.
Yeah, and that is what you want. And a lot of times we start businesses, but we forget why we started the business. It's for freedom, and you want the business to run itself. You want to be able to empower your team to run the business and have those systems in place. And if you're ever thinking of selling your business,
yes,
this is huge. The investors are not going to want to buy your business if you're doing everything.
Yeah, if the owner can't step away without the business falling apart, well, I can't buy that. You're just one person. If you die, or you're clearly selling the business and you're going to retire, like the business is going to fall apart. If you do very little, this is so ironic about American capitalism, but if you as the business owner do the least amount possible, that makes you more attractive for someone to buy it. But that's true. So it's work on it.
Yeah, it's because it's the system. So you need to have your business in such a way that anybody off the street could come in and start running your business. It's that well documented that somebody can come in, sit down, learn a quick system, and start running your customer service or start running your marketing, whatever it is. That level of simplicity, that's going to make your business valuation explode, and you can sell your business for 5x, 10x, whatever, a huge amount, because it's really, really valuable and dialed in.